Hi guys and welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I just want to talk to you a little bit about how I've been spending my time over this bank holiday weekend. I'm going to share a poem with you and then I've got a little time lapse for you for us to just chill out. Okay, so here we go. The kit that I'm setting up here is Craft Buddy's DIY Crystal Art Wreath Kit in their spring design. I have chosen to use this kit as a way to celebrate Beltane, which is an important festival in my religious calendar and also coincides with the May Bank holiday weekend. The kit here is 30 centimetres round. It is poured glue. The wreath is made of MDF. Comes with everything that you would need, your basic kit. It is primarily round drill with some special shapes and some diamante crystals thrown in for good measure, as you will see. Absolutely lovely to complete. I had already completed their Easter bunny wreath, which I finished for the pagan festival of Ostara, because the themes are very similar. So now why not take a few minutes to yourself to meditate upon the changing seasons and to enjoy the time lapse as I complete this crystal art wreath from Craft Buddy. And so, in honour of the festival of Beltane, I just want to finish up by sharing with you another of my poems from the book Ramblings and Rhymes. Beltane. Bellfires burning, sparks sent skyward, witches gather in the greenwood. Here we circle, dance and sing, wedding gifts for the horned one and his lady maid we bring. Celebrate a marriage, celebrate love, celebrate together, as below, so above. Robes are flowing, night breeze blowing, joined together, hand in hand, the pagan people of this land. And so, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Do please consider leaving a like. I love to read your comments. Subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you guys in the next one.